Paris, often called the City of Love, is a dream destination for many. It's a city that's painted with a palette of history and romance, where every street tells a story. Imagine strolling down the banks of the Seine, the world-renowned Eiffel Tower rising majestically in the distance. Or stepping into a quaint cafe, the air rich with the aroma of freshly baked croissants. Paris is a city that's not just seen, but felt. Its vibrant culture is as palpable as the cobblestones beneath your feet, as tangible as the intricate ironwork that adorns its many bridges. It's a city that's as diverse as it is iconic, from the bohemian streets of Montmartre to the grandeur of the Louvre Museum. Every corner of Paris exudes a unique beauty, a charm that has captivated the hearts of travelers for centuries. The city's allure extends beyond its landmarks, reaching into the very essence of what it means to live, to love, to dream. The charm of Paris is undeniable, captivating travelers from all around the globe. No trip to Paris would be complete without witnessing the grandeur of the Eiffel Tower. This architectural marvel, standing at a staggering 330 meters, is a testament to human ingenuity. Erected in 1889 as the entrance to the World's Fair, this iron lattice tower quickly became the symbol of Paris. Gustave Eiffel, the man behind the masterpiece, faced criticism during its construction. Many considered it an eyesore, but today it's hard to imagine the Parisian skyline without its towering presence. The Eiffel Tower's intricate architecture has since been admired by millions. The breathtaking views from the tower's top are a sight to behold. Overlooking the Seine River, the panoramic view encapsulates the city's charm. From the historic Louvre Museum to the enchanting Montmartre, the city unfolds before your eyes, presenting a stunning visual spectacle. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris, offers a memorable experience that leaves a lasting impression. Art enthusiasts and history buffs alike will find their paradise at the Louvre Museum. This grand institution is an epitome of human creativity, a testament to centuries of artistic and historical endeavors. Encapsulating the evolution of civilization, the Louvre Museum is a house to millions of works of art, from the ancient times to the modern era. Picture this: the enchanting Mona Lisa, her mysterious smile captivating millions over the centuries, the majestic winged victory of Samothrace, a symbol of triumph and glory, or the revered Venus de Milo, an epitome of beauty and grace. These masterpieces, along with countless others, make the Louvre a world-renowned beacon of art and culture. And it's not just the inside that's awe-inspiring. The museum's stunning architecture, highlighted by the iconic glass pyramid, is a work of art in itself. In every nook and corner, you'll discover something that piques your curiosity, sparks your imagination. The Louvre Museum, a treasure trove of art and history, is a must-visit spot in Paris. Step into a world of enchantment at Montmartre, the artistic heart of Paris. The air here is thick with the spirit of bohemian history, a legacy that continues to inspire artists to this day. As you wander through the winding cobbled streets, you can't help but feel a sense of magic that seems to linger in every corner. It's a place where every cafe, every boutique, every gallery has a story to tell. The Sacré-Cœur Basilica, standing majestically atop the hill, offers breathtaking views of the city. Its mesmerizing beauty has been a muse for numerous artists who have found inspiration amidst its serene ambiance. Famous artists such as Picasso, Van Gogh, and Modigliani once roamed these streets, leaving a trail of creativity and artistic brilliance. Their spirits still echo through the bustling art studios and lively squares. Montmartre, with its bohemian charm, offers a unique glimpse into the artistic side of Paris. Paris, with its romantic charm and rich history, is just the beginning. Imagine strolling through the streets of Rome, cruising the canals of Venice, or exploring the ancient temples of Kyoto. Picture yourself basking on the beaches of Bali, trekking through the Amazon rainforest, or gazing at the northern lights in Iceland. Our channel is your passport to the wonders of the world, offering a treasure trove of travel guides, tips, and trivia. We delve into the heart of each destination, revealing its unique character, hidden gems, and must-see attractions. Whether you're an armchair traveler or an intrepid explorer, a culture vulture or a nature lover, you'll find content to inspire, inform, and ignite your wanderlust. We believe in the transformative power of travel, and we're excited to share our passion with you. Subscribe now and join us on this exciting journey to discover the world's most amazing places.